Hi everybody, today I am working on a 14 by 14 canvas and I'm going to be doing a double flip cup. And the colors that I am using today, I have Crimson Red and that is from the Fine Touch. I have Champagne and it's a metallic cream color and that is from FolkArt. And then I have this color here, it is from FolkArt also, it's Antique Copper. And then I've got Yellow Medium, and that is from the Fine Touch. And then I also have this orange color, and it is from Craftsmart, and it's light orange. And I'm also going to be putting a few drops of 3-in-1 silicone in the cups between layers. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol, a tiny bit of water, and Liquitex pouring medium. So I'm going to get started. Alright, let's move it around a bit. It looks kind of crazy right now. And I know I'm going to lose a lot of the white, and that's okay because I'm trying to save the rest because it'll just fold under. I'm losing those cells down there. I think all the orange disappeared. Actually, that's all is in there is orange right there. in the lacing. It kind of popped up. It actually turned out pretty cool. Very much like that. Okay, I'm going to use my torch one more time, or heat gun. Whoa, look at all that happened right there. All kinds of stuff. Holy moly. Okay guys, going in for the close-up. I am so happy with how this turned out. It looks really cool. There's tons of cells and the lacing over here. Oh my gosh, it looks really awesome. So I'm glad I gave the fall colors a try. And you guys should give them a try too. And don't forget, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching.